Most people get digital wallets in Greece completely wrong. They download the first app they see, link their card, and then wonder why they are losing money on hidden fees, poor exchange rates, or limited acceptance. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best digital wallet is not the most popular one. It is the one that actually fits how you spend money in Greece in 2026. And that is exactly what you are going to learn today. In the next few minutes you will discover the 10 best digital wallets in Greece right now. You will see which ones give you the lowest fees, which ones offer real cashback, which ones work best for tourists, expats and locals, and which ones you should avoid if you want to stop wasting money on unnecessary charges. By the end, you will know exactly which wallet to use for daily payments, travel spending, online shopping, and even sending money abroad. Let's start immediately, because this is where most people make their first mistake. If you are living in Greece or visiting cities like Athens, Thessaloniki, or Crete, your payment habits matter more than you think. Cash is still around, but digital payments are now dominant in most shops, taxis, restaurants, and even small businesses. And here's where it gets interesting. The right digital wallet can save you hundreds of euros every year just by reducing conversion fees and giving you cash back on everyday spending. Now let's break down the best options one by one in a simple, practical way. We start with one of the most widely used wallets in Europe, and especially strong in Greece. Revolut is easily one of the most powerful digital wallets for Greece in 2026. It works like a full financial app, not just a payment tool. You can hold euros, spend globally, convert currencies at real exchange rates, and even invest from the same app. Now here's the part most people miss. In Greece, many tourists lose money on currency conversion when using traditional banks. Revolut solves this by giving near interbank exchange rates, especially on paid plans. Even the free plan is strong for basic use. For example, imagine Alex, a student from Athens, who frequently orders food online and travels to Italy. With Revolut, he avoids high FX fees and tracks spending in real time. That alone gives him better control than most traditional bank apps. But here's the problem. Revolut sometimes limits free ATM withdrawals. So if you rely heavily on cash, you need a backup wallet. And that brings us to the next major option. Viva Wallet is one of Greece's strongest local digital payment solutions. Unlike international apps, Viva Wallet is deeply integrated with Greek businesses. That means more acceptance in local stores, cafes, and even small island shops. Here's why this matters. In many smaller Greek towns, not every merchant fully supports global fintech apps. Viva Wallet bridges that gap. Now here's where it gets interesting. Viva Wallet also offers business tools. So if you are a freelancer or a small business owner, like Maria running a boutique in Thessaloniki, you can accept payments, issue invoices, and track revenue in one place. And the best part is instant settlements in many cases. But it is not perfect. International features are more limited compared to Revolut or Wise. So if you travel often, you will still need another wallet. Now let's move to a global giant that almost everyone already has but does not fully use. PayPal is still one of the most trusted digital wallets in Greece. It is widely accepted for online shopping, especially on international websites like eBay, Airbnb, and global freelance platforms. But here's the problem most users face. PayPal fees can be high for currency conversion and international transfers. So while it is extremely convenient, it is not always the cheapest option. For example, John, a freelancer working with clients in the US, uses PayPal because it is fast and trusted. But he loses a small percentage on every transaction due to conversion fees. Now here's the trick. Many experienced users link PayPal with Wise or a low-fee bank account to reduce costs. This combination strategy is something you will hear more about later. Next, we move to one of the most seamless wallets for everyday use. Apple Pay is extremely popular in Greece, especially in urban areas. If you have an iPhone, it turns your device into a fast payment tool that works almost everywhere contactless payments are accepted. Now, here's the interesting part. Apple Pay itself is not a wallet holding funds. It connects to your bank card. But the experience feels like a wallet because of speed and security. You simply tap your phone, authenticate with Face ID, and pay instantly. No card, no PIN. But here's the limitation. Apple Pay depends heavily on your bank's support. Not all Greek banks integrate equally well. Still, for everyday convenience, it is one of the best tools available. Now, let's talk about Android users. Google Wallet has become a strong competitor to Apple Pay in Greece. It works in a very similar way, but supports a wider range of Android devices. Here's what makes it powerful. It stores not only cards but also tickets, boarding passes, and loyalty cards. So if you are traveling from Athens to Santorini, your entire trip can be managed from one app. But here's where most people fail. They think Google Wallet is just for payments. In reality, it is also a digital storage hub for everyday essentials. Now let's move to a wallet that is especially strong for international transfers. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is one of the best digital wallets in Greece for sending and receiving money internationally. If you are an expat, freelancer, or student receiving money from abroad, Wise is a game changer. It uses real exchange rates and shows fees up front. For example, imagine Jake, a remote worker in Athens, getting paid from a UK client. With Wise, he receives money in euros with minimal loss compared to traditional banks. Now here's the key advantage. You get local bank details from multiple countries. That means you can receive payments like a local in the US, UK, or Europe. But Wise is not designed for cashback or rewards. It is purely for efficient money movement. Now let's shift to a more youth-focused wallet. N26 is a digital bank that is very popular in Europe, including Greece. It offers a fully mobile banking experience with a sleek app interface. You get a European IBAN, free spending insights, and in some plans travel insurance and cashback perks. Now here's where it gets interesting. N26 is perfect for digital nomads. If you live between countries like Greece, Germany, or Spain, it simplifies banking massively. But it does have limitations in customer support speed compared to traditional banks. Next, we move to Skrill, a wallet that many people overlook. Skrill is widely used for online payments, gaming platforms, and international transfers. In Greece, it is not as mainstream as PayPal, but it is still very powerful in specific use cases. For example, freelancers in online industries often prefer Skrill due to lower fees in certain transactions. But here's the drawback. It is not widely used in physical stores. So it is more of a niche digital wallet. Now let's talk about Neteller, Skrill's sister platform and. Neteller is similar but often used in gaming and trading communities. It offers fast transfers and multiple currency support. But here's the problem. Like Skrill, it is not ideal for everyday shopping in Greece. So it works best as a secondary wallet, not a primary one. Now let's move to a rising local option. Payzy by Cosmoti is gaining popularity in Greece, especially among younger users. It integrates with mobile services and offers cashback on certain purchases. Here's why this matters. Local telecom-based wallets often provide promotions tied to mobile usage, which can give real savings over time. For example, if you are a student in Athens using Cosmoti, you can get cashback or discounts on everyday spending through Payzy. But it is still growing, so acceptance is not as wide as global wallets. Now let's bring everything together. The best strategy in Greece is not using one wallet. It is combining two or three. For example, you could use Revolut for travel and currency conversion, Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily payments, and Wise for receiving international money. This combination reduces fees and increases flexibility. Now here's the biggest mistake people still make. They stick to one traditional bank app and ignore these tools completely, losing money on every transaction. If you switch even part of your spending to the right digital wallet, you immediately start saving. Let's quickly summarize what matters most. Revolut is best for all-in-one global spending. Viva Wallet is best for local Greek integration. PayPal is best for online shopping and trust. Apple Pay and Google Wallet are best for fast daily payments. Wise is best for international transfers. N26 is best for digital banking lifestyle. Skrill and Neteller are niche tools for specific users. Payzy is growing as a local rewards option. Now you have a complete picture of the digital wallet landscape in Greece for 2026. The real advantage is not just convenience. It is control over your money. Lower fees, better exchange rates, and even cashback rewards can add up significantly over time. If you choose the right combination, you are not just paying digitally. You are optimizing your entire financial experience. And that is the real difference between average users and smart users in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, leave a comment with which wallet you currently use in Greece, and subscribe for more practical finance guides that help you save money and make smarter financial decisions every day.